Alright, I wanted to do a quick video, see if I can get some more input on what this problem might be. Engine's running fine. Transmission is not shifting into not into third or fourth, so I don't have overdrive. I just have first and second. Everything's dry down here. I've had it running for about the last 10 minutes or so. So, got no leaks. Those two wet spots back there, I just sprayed some brake cleaner above the transmission, so I think that just dripped down. Besides that, she's running fucking good. This is what she looks like. There was a small rat's nest in here when I first bought it, and I cleaned it out. I don't know how long it was sitting for. I don't know what issues it was having when they parked it. When I bought it, it was running at all 4 gears. I did find a transmission leak shortly after. I don't know how much transmission fluid I did or didn't lose, but that's fixed now. I just added about 1.25 quarts to the transmission filler tube. Like I said, it's been running for like the last 10-15 minutes now, and it's on the small side of cold, or it's not hot yet. It's not overheating. The engine doesn't show any signs of abnormal wear or anything. Overdrive button should work. Yeah. So I don't know if the rear anti-lock light is supposed to be on. It's been on since I had it, so I don't know if it's telling me there's an issue with the rear anti-lock, or if it's telling me that the rear anti-lock is enabled, the ABS is working. So I don't know what the issue might be there. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it in this video right now, but I kind of hear a hissing sound, like if there's an open vacuum line somewhere in here. I couldn't hear or feel anything, so I'm probably just gonna have to see if I can check deeper in there. I can't really get my hand far in there, but it just sounds like a whistle, so I don't know what that might be. You can't hear it at all from the front, but I figure I kind of show the issue that I'm having. But like I said, I just added 1 quart or so, so I'm gonna just test drive it real quick and see what it's like. So as well, pretty sure that's still in 2nd gear. I kind of let off to see if it would catch a 3rd gear, but I don't think it did. Gonna have a slightly longer straight right here, so. There, it's not going into a 3rd, it's just wanting to keep revving up the gear. I kind of heard a pop. I don't know if that was something that popped off, or if something, my exhaust backfired, or maybe it was a shift. I don't know. Kind of heard something though. third gear or anything, but we're not getting too hot yet or any, like, you know, we're still in that same cool range even after pushing a little bit like that. I was having the issue that once I went from drive to reverse, it stalled out on me. I did it a little slower just now and it didn't do it, so I don't know if that's just because I didn't have enough fluid to begin with before, or maybe I just didn't shift it as quickly this time. I kind of waited for the vehicle to be 100% not moving. I guess that it's not the good angle. Can't go over that curb. Curb beat me. I like driving over curbs. Alright, so yeah. We're keeping cool right now, which is good. Usually if I'm over like 20 minutes of a ride, that's when it wants to start getting hot, and that's me revving it, you know, high RPMs in second gear, because that's as far as I can go. So I'll park this up real quick and check the fluid level. Whoops. Maybe add, maybe leave it for a day and check it again tomorrow. I love the brakes on this thing. You know, like I'm happy this thing can stop on a dime if I wanted it to. Alright, put it in park. Get our flashlight back off the ground. I miss that feeling of my foot burning, you know, because exhaust right there, you know. It's nice to have a van, truck thing running again, or something, you know. Something better than nothing or something, I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird like that. I like getting burned. But no, I'm not getting burned, it's just hot. It's something I don't want to run around with the doghouse not on for too long. So we'll check the fluid real quick. I'll just put you sideways. Where'd my rag go? I lost my rag. It's in my back pocket. Alright, now. That's no reading right there. I don't see any significant amount of transmission fluid on there to tell me that I have enough fluid. So I'm gonna add another quart, maybe another half quart. I don't know. I think I should go in half increments, but at the same time, like I just don't know where I'm at. I don't know what the capacity is that I'm at currently, and I know this thing takes like 14 quarts. So yeah, that's what we're working on. Thanks for tuning in for the last 10 minutes if you cared to stick around. But that's the project. Not the worst project in the world. Hopefully it's easy, because I don't want a project right now. I just want a daily. Just a beater. Daily beater.